Hey, thanks for stopping by. We're going to make some hot Cheeto cheese sticks today. Absolutely wonderful. I have flaming hot Cheetos. I have flour, have eggs, and cheese sticks. Easy, easy. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to crush our Cheetos. I have a cup of them. Just take a rolling pin and just roll until we get crumbs. Probably take about a minute or something like that. The longer you roll, the finer the crumbs are. And we want them fairly fine. That way they will stick to our egg on our cheese sticks. Alright guys, that didn't take that long. As you can see, they're pretty well mixed up. So we're just going to dump those into a bowl. Have flour, and this one is for the eggs. Have you folks ever made cheese sticks at home? If you have, let me know in the comments. Have you ever made the cheese sticks with Cheetos? Have you ever dropped an eggshell in your egg? That happens all the time in real life, guys. We're just going to beat the eggs. You want to be sure you get it mixed up really good. That way everything will stick on it better. Okay. Now we have our cheese. You can use plain mozzarella or you can use the twist, whatever you like. This is what we had on hand at the house. So we're going to go into the flour. We're going to go into the egg. Okay, and we're going to go into the Cheetos. Okay, back into the egg. And back into the Cheetos. Okay. Now folks, ideally you would use one finger for wet, one finger for dry. But I was just trying to get this nice and thick on here. I'm going to put this into my prepared pan and continue on with the rest of them. Okay. We're continuing on with these. I did have to grind up some more of the Cheetos, guys, and honestly, I use my mini food processor, and the crumbs are a lot finer. So instead of beating them out in the bag where the crumbs are big, don't do that. Just use a food processor. And this has got a lot of egg in here, but it's still sticking to it pretty good. Okay, this is our last one. We're going to put it in the flour and the egg. And then back over into the Cheetos. It does work better if you use the little food processor to get the crumbs finer. They stick a lot better. And they look a lot better. As you can tell, those with the bigger crumbs on there are the ones that I beat up. I beat the Cheetos up, guys. Oh well. But they're the ones that I crushed in the bag. And these other ones are the ones that I use the mini food processor on. Guys, you live and learn. But we're going to get these in a preheated 425 oven and bake them until we start seeing the cheese come out. Probably 10-12 minutes. Okay. Guys, in all honesty, these should have come out about a minute ago, but they didn't. But you can see they still have their form. They still have the Cheeto on there, and they're going to be fantastic. I honestly like my cheese to come out like that and start to brown. Maybe you don't. But these were in there for about an extra minute after the timer went off. There you go. Guys, I'm burning my fingers on these, but it's okay. That is so good. If you like Cheetos, the hot Cheetos, you've got to give this a try. They are so good, so easy to make. They might not be the most pretty dish, but they're very tasty. And I guarantee your kids will love them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.